Hello, everyone. Welcome to Learn Sentence with Biology. Today we will learn Grade 10, Bio, Chapter 1, Introduction to Biology. Let's start.
Pteridophyta, example, ferns, adiantum. Characteristics, more advanced than bryophytes, grow chiefly in shaded moist places. Differentiated into rhizome, rachis and pinna. A well-developed vascular system, reproduction by spores. Life cycle shows distinct alternation of generations. Gymnospermae, example, coniferous trees, pine. Characteristics, woody, non-flowering plants, seed-bearing vascular plants. Seeds are not enclosed in a fruit. Seeds develop either on the surface of scale or leaf-like appendages known as sporophylls. Angiospermae, monocots, maize. Characteristics, flowering vascular plants, the plants with roots, stems, and leaves. Widely distributed on the Earth's surface. Example, dicots, mango. Reproduce by means of flowers, fruits, and seeds. Seeds are produced inside the ovary of the flower. Seed with one cotyledon, monocots. Seed with two cotyledons, dicots.
You have completed today's lessons. Don't forget to subscribe for more lessons. See you next time.